The fabric is really soft even after washing. This is a queen size pillowcase. Hi friends, today unboxing review. This is a cotton queen bed sheet from Walmart. Size queen, hotel style, Egyptian cotton, damask strip sheet set. Let's open. Includes 4 pieces, 1 queen flat sheet, 1 queen fitted sheet, and 2 queen pillowcases. Let me show you how it looks. This is a big mattress, fixed 9 to 20 inches deep. This stretches for a snug fit. Friend, this is 100% cotton and machine wash. This doesn't move when you're sleeping. Perfect fit. Friends, if you want sheets that stay in place, give it this a try. Click in the link below for a walmart.com. I may earn a small commission when you order from this link. Okay friends, don't forget to give a like to my videos. Thank you for the support. Enrique76. Have a good night. Bye.